Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy shares in the TradingView app. First, understand that TradingView is primarily a charting and analysis platform, not a direct brokerage. To execute trades, you must connect your existing brokerage account. Head over to the trading panel within the app, where you'll find a list of supported brokers. There are over 50 integrated brokers to choose from, ensuring broad compatibility. Select your broker and follow the on-screen prompts to securely link your account. This crucial first step enables direct trading from the platform. Once your broker is connected, the trading panel becomes your central hub for execution. You can easily access it at the bottom of your chart interface. This panel provides a comprehensive overview of your trading activity, including any open positions, pending orders, and your overall account balance. It also keeps a detailed record of your trading history. From here, you can swiftly place new buy or sell orders, making it incredibly convenient to manage your investments without leaving the chart. To place a buy order, first select the specific stock or asset you intend to purchase directly on your chart. You'll then see a buy button or an order entry panel appear. Here, you'll define your order parameters. Choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to buy at a specific price. Enter the desired quantity of shares. Always double-check all the details, including the price and total cost, before confirming your order for execution. After placing your buy order, it's essential to monitor its status. Your open positions and pending orders will be clearly displayed in the trading panel. You have the flexibility to modify or cancel any open orders if market conditions change or your strategy evolves. For effective risk management, consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take-profit orders to secure gains. Regularly review your trade performance to refine your strategies and make informed decisions for future investments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.